In this video, I will show you how to convert video to animation, text to animation, text to image using only one website. So let's begin. First, enter a browser. Search by typing domo AI. Click on first website. After opening this website, you will see an interface like this. Click on Get Started Now. At the beginning, you have to sign in. So click on Sign In. You can sign in two ways. I clicked it on Sign with Google. After sign in, an interface will appear. Here you can do three things. Number 1, video to animation. Number 2, image to animation. Number 3, text to image. I am showing animation from your video. Click on upload. Select your video from your gallery that you want to create animation from. Once the video is uploaded, click on generate. Your video is ready. Click on download. Thanks for watching the full video.